Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to activate the OTG connection on this device. So if you're plugging in the USB and the OTG is now really working, it means that you have to manually turn it on. So just go to the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. And here scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got this OTG connection, so simply tap on it and simply tap on this switcher. And from now on, this option is active and you can freely use the USB drivers, earphones, or any other Type-C devices. If you want to, you can turn it on manually just by tapping on the switcher again, like that, or you can simply wait 10 minutes, because if it is not used for 10 minutes, then your device will turn it off automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.